Potatoes, eggs and coffee beans. This is a story about a little boy who learned to solve problems with potatoes, eggs and coffee beans. A little boy named Ashim lives with his parents in a beautiful house. One day his father found him crying and asked if something was wrong. Ashim secretly says, "I have so many problems in my life," and talks about his problems. Ashim's father listens to him patiently. Then he brings a bowl and fills it with potatoes, eggs and coffee beans. He asks Ashim to touch and feel the ingredients in the bowl and to say what he thinks. Ashim describes how each one feels when touched. His father smiled and asked Ashim to put them all in 3 different bowls and pour water over them. Then he cooks these 3 items. After a few minutes, the father turns off the stove and puts all the bowls on the counter to cool. When they are cold, Ashim's father asks him to touch them again and feel the egg, potatoes, and coffee beans. This time Ashim has a different answer. And he also says that the peel of the potato is easier to peel because it has become very soft, the egg has hardened and the fresh coffee aroma comes from the beans. His father smiles at Ashim's story and tells him how potatoes, eggs and coffee beans have reacted to unfavorable circumstances. The potatoes became soft, the eggs became very strong, and the coffee beans completely changed shape during the test time in boiling water. Moral: problems are part of life. How we respond to it makes us better individuals. It is better to solve a problem 5 different ways than to solve 5 problems one way.